I was crying last night, you know. Mira, el video last night.
Absolutely incredible. Egypt.
There's still hope for them. Yes. Gracias por Dios.
But then I was wearing Brazilian bikini. What the fuck? This
Que
is
Dios te bendiga. En nombre del Padre, Espíritu Santo. Vamos, vamos, vamos. Vamos.
He missed it. Of course I don't post this.
Worry him too much. Obviously, he's in an ideal position. And
Mohamed
it's so
Salah.
easy to put this away.
The goal is back. Come on.
And Lionel Messi scores the 9th consecutive match at the World Cup finals.
Uno, dos.
He can't not
Like I'm so mad. But it's so funny the fact that I bless him.
Que Dios te bendiga.
World Cup.
En nombre del Padre, Espíritu Santo.
You know, just like, you know, I got inspired by the Mexican, because the Mexican, all of them, they bless the players. This is so interesting. And I made this. You guys hear that? Ganador de España. Viva España y vete a la mierda de Portugal. Portugal. Bye bye. Don't forget the fact that Ronaldo's wife is Argentinian. Yes. That is so sad. Imagine being Ronaldo. Okay. I don't hate him, but it's funny, right? So when Portugal was playing, he make a goal and then he said, "I'm back," right? And then indeed he's back because he's back home. I'm back. Go back to home. Meanwhile, Argentina, they do the real comeback instead of "we're back" or "I'm back," you know. And I make a sarcastic joke to my friend that fan of Ronaldo, like, "Hey, at least we're doing comeback, not saying I'm back, and then you're actually going back home." And say to your wife, "I'm back." Yes, back in Portugal. You know, crazy. Yeah, crazy. So many people say, "Oh, FIFA, Argentina is protected by FIFA. That's why no matter what they do, if they make a mistake, they always save." Man, regardless, man. Isn't it nice being a favorite instead of being the most hated? I mean, in a logical thinking way, I think that's better, right? Haters will be haters, you know. I have haters too. Okay? So funny. Good morning from California, LA. Good morning. True. I know. You know, I heard there's already found 500 dead bodies in a Mexico stadium, because even though I didn't notice, but after they say the location in Tijuana and Sinaloa, if I'm not mistaken, and oh my god, if you guys know the cartel, Tijuana and Sinaloa is two strong cartel base from Mexico, and you guys put the stadium in there. What a perfect duel. You know, like when you're doing fishing. Oh my god. Do you still do cam streams, Alta? You mean on CB? No, not anymore. Wow. Café. I do cam stream on CBN SC others. You do chatterbait, Michael? What are you doing in chatterbait? Do you have OnlyFans as well? It is. It is what it is. It is what it is. It is. It's been 4 hours. Wow. Should I go sleep? You know, it's almost 2. That's it. What? Almost 2. I remember when I showed you guys the time, it was 12. Right? Just 12. Chatting people around the world. Oh, wait. You're not streaming? Or you did stream? Yeah, you streamed there. Yes. Yes, but I'm not watching a dude jerk. Fair enough. Well said. I mean, fair enough. Unless you're gay. Get it. Nailed it. Totally. Hey, are you looking for something? Come here. Come here. Come here. You're gonna be. Hey, look at me. I wanna tell you something. You're gonna be nice when my mom and my sister is here, okay? She's a karate kid. So if you're trying to bite her, she's gonna kick your head immediately. I don't want you to get hurt either, okay? But just be a good boy, okay? Okay, okay, learn Irish. Okay. That's it for breathing today, okay? You can go back. Go to place. Go to place. That's his place. Go to place. Go to place. Go to place. What are you doing? Stop panicking. Just go to place. Go to place. Place. Now. He's just doing spinning. Place. Go to place. Goodbye. Come here. Come here. Come here. Over here. You keep sprinting, man. You want to be a runner or what? If yes, I mean, I can sign you up so we can make money out of you. I do stream too. That's nice. Come here. Come here. Yeah. Oh my fucking god. Of course. Of course. Oh my god. Guys, I'm sorry, my dog. Jesus Christ. Of course you